Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our lesson today 5-4 point slope form, and our objective is to write and graph linear equation, but this time using point slope form. Okay, first of all you have to know what is the form of the point slope, and you have to memorize it, my dear student. Yes, you have to memorize it, which is y minus y1 equal the slope, which is m, multiplied by great x minus x1. You have to know this coming from point, and the point is x1 and y1. Okay, and the slope, which is come as m, yes, it is nice. So all of you, I'm sure you are memorize this equation. Let's go. So first of all, in the first exercise here, he will give you a point and give you the slope, and he makes sure you memorize the equation and you can apply the point and the slope on it. Okay, the equation or the question said write an equation in point slope form of a line that passes through the given point and with the given slope m. Okay, so in this exercise, my dear student, he gave me a point, the order pair, and the slope. So what you have to do, directly write the equation y minus y1 equal the slope multiply x minus x1. Okay, my dear student. Okay, now you start to replace everything correctly. It is easy, but it is very dangerous, because if you confuse in one thing, your answer will be not correct. Great. So because of that, use the tools directly. Right under the x, this is x, and this is y. Okay, why I do this, I will let you know after a while. So the m directly, it is 6, and the y1 here, as you see, this is the y side, so the y1 replaced by -4. And as you know, by -4, and as you know, double negative will be positive, so directly write it +4. So my dear student, when you see negative, you have to write it as positive in the order pair only. Okay, in the point, I mean. Yes, and the x is 3. The x1 is 3. We done. So this is the point slope equation. Are you happy? Yes? Are you sure? No? Okay, I will make you happy. In number 9, you can apply what you learned in number 8. We write the equation y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. Replace now. Remember, this is x and this is y, and this is y side. Okay, and this is x side, and the slope is clear alone. Yes, the slope, it is come from here, -5/3, and the y, I get it from here. Okay, so it is 2. Great. And the x is 4. Sorry, it is coming from here. Okay, my boys. Okay. So we done, my dear student. So the equation or the point slope equation, it is y negative 2 equal negative 5 over 3 multiply x negative 4. Suppose you have this equation and he asks you what is the point, what is the slope. Directly the slope is negative 5 over 3, and the point is, this is the x side, I put it here, and this is the y side, I put it here. But be careful, when you reverse it, you have to reverse it, the sign. So this is 2 and this is 4. We done. Okay. Now let us move to the second exercise. The second exercise is actually graph. I will graph question number 12. So graph each equation. Let's go. How we can graph? We are here. Graph each equation. And to graph here, because I have slope or point slope form, I can graph by using a point and slope. Okay, my dear student? Okay. So, in number 12, give me the point, give me the slope. The point, teacher, it is easy. The point is 1 and negative 3. Great. So 1 and negative 3. And what is m? M equal, teacher. Yes, it is 2. Okay, my dear student. So this is the x, it is 1, and this is the y, which is negative 3, and the m, I get it from here. Great. This is the first step to graph. Now I draw the xy coordinate. And point this and plot this point. Okay, and this is x, left or right, and this is y, up or down. So left or right, the x coordinate, yes, it is to the right, one step. So I have to move one step to the right, then move down 3 steps, so the point will be here. Great. After you do this, so I plot this point in the on the xy coordinate. After that, and remember, my dear student, when you plot the point or the order pair, you start from here as grade 4. You start from the origin here. I move 1, then move 3. Okay, it is easy. Okay, now I have to know the second point. I can find the second point, okay, if I use the slope. What is the slope? Yes, it is m equal 2, teacher. Yes, write the 2 as 2 over 1. This is rise, okay, and this is run. But from where I have to rise and run, I will start from here. Okay, and how many steps I have to rise? 2 steps up. 1, 2, and then run 1 step to the right. So it will be here. This is the second point. And as you know, my dear student, two points, it is enough to draw any line. So now draw this line. Okay, so the line of this equation, or the graph of this equation, okay, this line. Okay, so you see how to I use the the slope to find the next point or the second point. Okay, I will do one more example for you to be happy. Okay, now I will take 14. What is the order pair? Yes, the side of x, I take it from here, it is -2. And the side of y, I take it from here, which is -5. What you see, take the opposite. Okay, so the point is -2 and -5. -2 and -5, how I can plot it? As a grade 4, I start from the origin and move to the left 2 steps and down 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be here. Okay, my dear student. Okay, so this is the first point. Okay, now I'm finished from this. I don't need it more. I need the slope. The slope is, there is no number here, teacher. It is only negative. Yes, it is -1. And -1, I can write it as -1/1. That means I move down 1 step and go to the right 1 step. Let's go. 1 step down and 1 step right, so it will be here. Okay, I have 2 points and I can connect them easily. So this is the second or number 14 equation. Are you happy? I hope so. Let us take 13. I need the order pair. The order pair, I take the x from here, which is 2, and which is 2, it is -2. Remember, because it is positive, I take it as negative. Be careful, don't do any mistake like this. And this is -1, so it is 1. Only in the point, only on the point, only on the order pair. Don't say, can I opposite or reverse the sign of the slope? You cannot. So now plot this point. Again, you start from here and move 2 steps to the left and 1 step up, so it will be here. Okay, let me erase everything here. Can I erase this? I can erase it. Let me fix this. Great. Now now the point is here, I said. Okay, so I don't need it more. And now I get the slope here. This is the slope. Now it is -3. So m equal -3/1. Okay, I write it as rise over run. So I will move down how many steps? 3 steps down and 1 step to the right. From where? From the point, from here. Okay, so how many steps down? 3 and 1 to the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3 and 1 here. It will be here. Erase everything here. So this is the point, the second point. Okay, now I use the line to connect between them. This is the line, but it is not a straight line actually. And let me erase everything here and fix and this one and fix it. Okay, to make it nice. Yes, that is better. Okay, I hope you get it. Now in the third part here he give me a graph. Okay, my dear student, he give me a graph, and let's see, write an equation in slope, in point slope form for each line. So he give me a graph like this and ask me to write the equation slope or point slope form. Y negative y1 equal x minus x1. So I need 1 point to write this equation. I need slope and I need slope and 1 point. I can get the 1 point easily from the graph. Actually, let us start here. Okay, I'm here from this line. Any point on this line, I take a nice point, which is this point. Okay, let us find out the order pair of this point. The order pair of this point, I need the x size, so I will start from here to get the order pair. How many steps to the left or to the right? Actually the point is here, so I have to move to the left, so it is negative. How many steps? 1, 2, so negative 2, and then I have to move down. How many steps? 1, so down mean negative, so the point is negative 2 and negative 1. Now remember that this is x1 and this is y1. I put it here, and this I put it here. Okay, now let us replace. I replace the negative 1, y equal y plus 1. It will be y plus 1. When I plot the negative 2 instead of x1, it will be plus 2. My student knows that easily. Plus 2. Now, what I need more? Yes, I need the slope. How I find out the slope? Easy way. This the first point, and this is the second point. I have to move from the point down to the point up. But under one condition, my dear student. I have to use rise over run. Bravo. So I have to move vertically first. So vertically I need to move 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So here it is 4 because I move up. And I have to run 1, 2, 3. So I have to run 3 steps. So this is 3. So plot this instead of this. This is the slope. 4 over 3. Let me write it with the red color. We done. Are you happy? Not yet? Are you sure? Okay. My dear student, my beautiful student. Okay? Everything will be easy. Don't worry. Now, your turn. What is the equation? Tell me. Yes, y negative y1 equal m multiply x negative x1. Let us find what is x1, what is y1 by find out order pair for any point live on the line. This is the line. Yes, he plot this one. It is a nice point and easy one. How can give me the coordinate, xy coordinate of this point? Xy coordinate, I mean the order pair, my dear students. I need the x, how many steps to the right or to the left, and y, how many steps up or down to reach this point from the middle, from here, from the origin. Okay, let us start. I need to move 1 step to the right and 1 step up. one step to the right and one step up. It is 1 and 1. So erase this. This is 1. And erase this, and this is 1. Sorry. Okay. Now I have to find the slope. I need 2 points and live on this line. Okay, this is the first point and this is the second point, and I have to use rise over run. Bravo. So you have to move up all of time. How many steps up? Count. How? I don't understand how many steps up. I ask you, let me change this color only. This is red. How many steps I need to move from the green point? How many steps vertically I have to move the green step points to be on the level of the red point? Count with me. It is 1, 2, 3. So erase this. I need 3. Now, how many steps I have to move from here? Yes, I have to run 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to run 4 steps, but to the left. Because it is to the left, it is negative, my dear student. So 3 over negative 4 here. Negative 3 over 4. Teacher, you said 3 over negative 4. It is the same, my boys. Don't worry about it, okay? The same. You can write it in both cases. Okay? Okay, are you happy? I hope so. And the last one, it is a homework for you. Okay? Sorry. It is a homework. So 18, send me a video. Or send me the slope. M. Tell me what is M. And tell me what is the order pair. And get 1 mark from me. Okay, the last exercise is this. Write an equation in point slope. Point slope form. Okay, I have to use this directly. This is point slope form. Okay. Okay. Of the line that passes through the given points, then write the equation in slope intercept form. I have another form, which is slope intercept form, which is, who can tell me? Yes, y equal mx plus b. You remember it? Okay. Okay, my dear student. Okay, my lovely student. I know you know, but how come? Let me show you. I will erase this first. Okay. Here the given is 2 order pair. And to write this equation, I need 1 point and slope. Yes? Yes. So to find the slope from 2 order pairs, I use m equal delta y over delta x, which equal, yes, put minus here and minus here, and determine your direction. I will move from here to here. Okay, so, and I know that my student, this is the y's. So I start with the y's, and I start from here, from this to this. So 1 is in first and 4 at the second, and the same in the same order, negative first and 1 the second. Okay, negative first and 1 the second. So m equal, my dear student, negative 3 over negative 2, which equal 3 over 2, because this will be plus. So we done. Okay, m equal 3 over 2. So my dear student, you can select any point you need. You can select the yellow one or the blue one, and you get the same result or the same answer. Okay, I will select the yellow one at the beginning. Yes, go ahead. So the y1 is 4, because, my dear student, I take this is a y1 and this is the x1. y1 I put it, sorry, y1, yes, I put it here, which is 4, and the m, I find it, actually it is 3 over 2. Yes, I get it here. And x1, actually it is 1. Great. Now, my dear students, I wrote it in point slope form. I need to write it as slope intercept form. So I have to make the y alone. But before that, I have to break the parentheses here. Distributive property, Ali story. Okay, so it will be like this: equal 3 over 2 x minus 3 over 2, and this is y negative 4. Okay, now I can make the y alone by, yes, remove this by removing this to this side and change to plus. And actually 3 over 2 it is, and 4 it is a like term, and 3 over 2 actually I can write it as a decimal, which is 1.5. and actually also negative 1.5 plus 4 equal, yes, plus 2.5. So plus 2.5. And as you see here, this is written in slope intercept form. Y equal m, sorry, y equal m x plus b. Yes, this is m and this is b, my dear student. Okay, let us do one more question. Teacher, if I use the second point, the blue point, I get the same answer? Yes. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. So if I have two order pairs and I need to write slope point or point slope form, I need to find m, and m equal delta y over delta x, and delta y is the difference between the y's, and this is the y's, so it is negative 6, negative 6, negative 4, and I start from here, my dear student. Actually the negative 6 comes first, then the 4 over the x's, the difference between x's, which is here, this is the x and this is the x, so start from here, so it will be negative 3, negative 2, and this give me negative 10, and here give me negative 5, and 10 over 5 equal 2, and negative over negative equal 2. So m equal 2. And regarding it is this is the slope. I need 1 point. You can select this or this. You can pick any one. I will pick the yellow one. So the point 2 and 4, I can write the point slope form easily, which is y negative y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. Okay, replace now. This is the x. With the x, it will be 2 here, and this is the m equal 2. Okay, and the y is 4. We done. Okay, now this is the point slope. Now I convert it easily to to slope in y-intercept form by break the parentheses. Ali stores this Ali and he will visit the farm and the home or distributive property. So 2y, sorry, okay, let me break the parentheses. Y negative 4 equal 2x negative 4. Yes, now I can make the y alone and happy. Okay, by move this, sorry, by moving this to the right side here, yes, and change to the plus, the y now alone and happy, and 4 and negative 4, it is 0 here. Negative 4 plus 4 equals 0. I erase them. Yes, so y equal 2x. So y equal 2x, and this is what? Yes, direct variation equation, because k here is 2. The k is equal 2. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, my dear student, and see you in the next lesson. God save you, God bless you, my dear students. Goodbye.